Flip wars.
Mine's better. It's like lightsaber wars. This is the cookout. Brandon, where are you going? Where are you going? Are you running away? You running away? Oh, that's a cooker.
Big old smoke.
What are we doing over here? Blowing stuff up. Oh, that sounds bad.
Yeah. Oh, it didn't go. Cool. Mine does do it. That is awesome.
Wow.
Melissa used all the cotton balls for makeup or something. Got clean. Well, still sticking cold.
I like that sound.
Thanks, Shane, for the idea.
But smoke bombs aren't waterproof, though.
Okay, thanks, Matt.
I just like how... Shaun, I like how yours are like depth chargers. They're like...
Yeah. Hey, Matt's is the same way.
Yeah, slowly. Hey, you want to get in on these? They're back on.
Yeah.
I like Shane's. I like Shane's when they hit the water. They're like... Boom!
Oh, they're the bigger ones.
Yeah, watch. He's blowing stuff up already.
I spent a mansion! I'm gonna do a flip. Want to see?
Sure.
Okay.
Let's see this flip. Oh, nice.
Yes, I spent all my money on a mansion for my family if I made a deal about it.
No, Brandon, stay back here.
There's this girl who made a deal with her family on Disneyland, and she only spent it at Disney World, and she said she spent it for her family, and she only spent it for herself.
And you know what?
Yeah?
He fought Darth Vader.
Who? Yeah.
He fought Darth Vader. He got to be the Jedi Academy.
You were the guy who did that? Yeah. Wow, that's really cool to meet somebody who was on YouTube. I was on YouTube. I'm a star on YouTube. Woo!
Now you're all on YouTube because I'm going to put it on YouTube.
Oh,
Now you're all going to be on.
I could have been on YouTube, but I made
You,
some
you will be now.
I made some on YouTube. Wow! I got pretty good about it.
Hi, Brand.
Mom, look how high I can jump. Ow! Oh, dude. Cha-ching! Money time!
Oh, that was a good one.
Whoa, look at that! It's coming towards us! Plug your noses!
It's like a battlefield out here. Who's doing that back there?
Oh, him!
Oh.
A couple years ago, my son's first 4th of July, right? Well, I buy this thing thinking he's gonna just love it. So we get it out for him. I light it up and it ruins his whole 4th of July. He thought it was a toy and I blew it up.
Wow. Hope you didn't pay a lot for that.
I think it's gonna blow up, dude.
Oh, it has cargo. we pour gas on it and light it on fire?
Awesome.
All right, Mason, what's next? Well, no, I got everything in the
shit.
bag.
Wrong way.
Oh well. Duck!
It's aiming at you.
Hurry!
No, that was, you blew up Mac.
What do you got? Oh. Uh-oh.
That's bad news. Glad it just rained.
Right. Russian roulette.
I'm so glad it just rained.
Don't have no front wheels.
Wow.
Like a lot more than 2 around here.
Shaun, this has wires on it, so it could be good.
Could be potentially good. Which one do you like? Oh. Is this going to be a dancer?
I don't know what it does.
What it does.
It's a guesstimate.
Oh, that's
Oh.
kind of cool.
I love those things. I was thinking about it there for a second.
Regular firecrackers?
Hope they didn't want that grass right there.
I assume they put it there for a reason.
Well,
All right, man.
Hunter, watch out! I have a phone. Where do I do fireworks at?
Do firecrackers? Do them off over
see you,
there.
Brandon?
Oh, that's cool.
Now.
There you go, Hunter.
What's this thing just explode, crack
Yeah.
right now?
I keep thinking the eyes are going to explode.
The mouth or something.
Yeah. No, it's just blood and guts coming out of the top of the frog's head.
That would have been awesome when it was dark out.
Yeah.
That was cool.
That would have looked like a demonic frog at night.
Fire truck's on fire.
The fire truck's on fire. Oh, look, the ladder thing came up.
You can propel that. Makes me want to run through it.
I'm gonna miss everybody. It's the Bone Thugs Cookout.
What up, homie?
Sup, G? This says bad news written all over it.
This doesn't look like a great idea right here.
Hank the mechanic's gonna blow something up.
You got a torch. Wow. I expected more.
He's playing Indiana Jones.
Where's the cave?
Statue of Liberty. Okay, right here. Yay! Just look right into it to see if it's done. He jumped. Oh yeah, we did need more Shaun. The vlog
No,
needs more Shaun.
I just wanted to do. Well, now you ruined it. I was going to do the whole Easy E thing from the video where he comes in and is like, and then he steps back.
The ghost EG.
Yeah.
Crossroads.
But you ruined it, Bob, with your cinematography.
Sorry.
It is what it is.
Pop, pop, pop. No, you don't. Cool. Now you're gonna be on the internet. Say hi, internet.
Hi, internet. I'm a big fan of Ghostbusters.
Yeah.
I'm a big fan of ghost haunting.
Yeah, me too.
You know the big yellow? I know that. I met you earlier. Big yellow tube. That's the one.
What you got there, Chris?
A lollipop I got at the zoo yesterday.
Oh yeah, cool.
You know the video.
Yeah, the last video. Yeah.
This is what I got when I told you.
She's always funny there, but never that inappropriate.
Blackberry brandy and so right. And she was like, have you ever had this? And I'm like, no. And she's like, you gotta have some.
Hi, Lou.
How you doing?
It's nice to see you.
I know.
Feels like forever since we've seen you.
I know. It's been forever.
You going Saturday?
I have to work.
Oh, you're killing me.
I know. But the next time I'm going. I have comments. Next time we'll be filming for the movie. I know.
Everybody, we're gonna start blowing stuff up here
It's
soon.
almost bedtime on a Saturday night.
Is it beer 30?
It's Sunday night.
It's beer 30. You gotta work tomorrow?
No,
Me neither.
I do.
it's against the law to work on the 4th of July.
She has to work.
I'm gonna break her law. I have to work.
You're what?
I have to work. I have to work tomorrow. It's a Monday.
You work in a total place? Alright, got some more mortar shells.
Uh-oh. I think Hank's gonna blow the world up.
Right? I'm gonna do it over here. The kids over there might scare the poop out of them.
Yeah, I don't think there's anything you can hurt.
Just myself.
Just yourself.
Oh, awesome.
Yay! Hank's gonna blow the world up.
Sweet.
Or himself, I'm not sure which one.
Both.
Both. That was a good one. You actually feel a concussion from that one. Till it falls over and then, you know, blows one out right at us. For low light conditions, this thing does pretty good. I mean,
Oh yeah.
for being, I mean, it doesn't work for like ghost hunting stuff, but this kind of low light, it's actually darker than what it looks.
Should have brought mine. I didn't even think about it.
I just want to get it on tape when Hank blows himself up. You see out the TMZ. Oh!
Now we're gonna drop the chapel.
I get part of that 10 grand from America's Funniest.
Okay. Local Wichita celebrity blows himself up in fireworks.
Do you have any different colors?
I don't know. It doesn't say on the package what they are.
Oh! Last one.
For now.
For now, yeah. It's just the beginning. Oh, it's raining shrapnel.
And I didn't blow myself up.
Yay! That's a success.
Yeah.
It's still early.
It is.
Nothing says 4th of July like sex.
Your dad has a picture of that. He's like, Hank, look at this firework.
Take a picture of it. Show him the top. Here, take a picture.
Yeah,
Oh yeah,
the top's even
The top
better.
is better because you can see her vagina.
You really can?
Well, and through the thong.
Jeez, that is crazy.
Wow, she's cracking a smile.
Take a picture of all the sides of it.
That's what I'm saying. I want to take the wrapper off. It's worth. It's a shame to blow that thing up.
Actually, here, hold on. This one here is better. It doesn't cover as much.
Yeah, I want the wrapper.
Matt.
When you like that one, I'm gonna have to.
Losing light, so it's time to start blowing stuff up.
I just upped your life insurance.
And his punk was like this.
Here we go. Here we go. Up high. Oh. Look up high. Purple. Yeah. Look up high.
Yeah, I heard back up. He was about 4 feet. We were all about 4 feet. I didn't. Right.
No.
Exactly.
All right, here we are.
I'm trying also not to slice the side of it.
Blow up the hot girls.
Oh, they put tape on it.
Oh yeah, there's tape going this way.
There we go.
Man, can they make that a little smaller?
Yeah.
Oh, geez Louise.
$25, man. What do you expect?
Are you serious?
Yeah.
That thing better be good.
Oh, this is the cheap one. I bought 3 big ones like this. But the biggest one we're shooting is tomorrow. I think I spent $40 on it.
Did you get some good stuff when you were in Missouri or whatever? Like the big illegals? Weren't you just in Missouri?
You know, that's why I told Carrie, I said, if we see a fireworks stand, you know, we need to stop.
I've
never seen one.
Sexy bitch is going up. She's lit! I'm about to fall.
Shaun's gonna kill himself. Woo! Oh! Yeah, they're right over my head. Concussion. Give it to me, girl in the phone. Give it to her. Yeah, baby. Way to go, half-naked chicks.